Hello, my name is Maya, and I'll be taking you through this meditation called Strengthening Your Boundaries. To begin, just make yourself comfortable. Maybe lie down on a bed or just sit comfortably in your chair and close your eyes. Feel your breath. Just notice your breath as you begin to relax. Feel your body relaxing too. Feel your muscles and allow them to relax. Allow your muscles to release any tension, any fear or anything they may be holding. Just allow your body to completely relax. Focusing now on your breath. Breathing in and out. As you breathe in love. As you breathe out stress. Breathe in love, breathe out stress. And breathe in strength, and breathe out weakness. Breathe in strength, breathe out weakness. Breathe in courage, breathe out fear. Breathe in courage, breathe out fear. Know that within your body you can be as strong as you like, when you like. Just know you have the power to be all that you need to be. Now we will see a beam of light coming down. A beam of light coming down into your head, moving down into your body, spreading light throughout your body. Knowing now that with this light it brings courage and peace. It brings love and forgiveness and anything you may need. Know that this light is here to help you in any way. Know that you can be at peace whenever you need to. Just breathing now with this light. Breathing and feeling supported now. Feel this body of yours filled with love and respect. Release any old feelings of hurt, any patterns of self-abuse, anything that you no longer wish for. Just see this light melt it all away. Feel connected to who you are as you wash everything else away. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's now see this light. See it radiating through you, shining out in all directions from you. Expanding the light now. Bring it out past your body. See it expanding out, reaching out to your aura. Imagining now that your aura is surrounded with this light. Your aura is protected. Imagine it's solid as gold. Your aura will be filled with this light and this strength. Imagining now your aura hard as solid gold. Nothing and no one can interfere with you or your energy unless you allow them permission. Breathing into this knowing now that you can have this protection. You can feel strong and safe and secure in your body. As you feel safe and as you sit there or lie there, you may stay as you are, or you may now choose to open your eyes, feel at peace and feel strengthened, and just know you have the power. Thank you.